Hi, I'm Maria Villegas. Fettuccine with prosciutto, tomatoes, and cream. How you like that? Okay, we're going to put some butter in a hot skillet. We're going to swirl it around a little bit. And then we're going to add prosciutto. We're going to let that hang out in the skillet for a few minutes. This is about 1/4 cup and it's chopped. It's thin. And we're going to mix that in with the butter. And remember, prosciutto is salty. Prosciutto is awesome. Prosciutto is salty. Okay, then we have some diced Roma tomatoes. This is two Roma tomatoes. That's what you want to hear. You want that excitement going on in the skillet. Mix that in with the prosciutto. You should be able to smell this. Then we're going to put a handful of chopped garlic. We may add some more in there. We're going to see how that goes. And then I'm going to put a little bit of white wine in there. There you go. Look at that. Okay, we're going to let that hang out for a little bit. We have a cup of heavy cream. Don't be afraid. It's already fattening, so just do it. Cup of heavy cream. And then we want this to reduce. What that means, see how it's bubbling around the edges? That means it's reducing. Reducing is reducing. So it means it's going to get less and less liquid and more concentrated. And that's where the taste comes in. Okay, a little bit more salt. And then let that reduce for a few minutes. Okay, so look, see how it's bubbly and thick? This was reducing for about 3 to 5 minutes. And this is what you want it to look like. Really nice and thick and awesome. Okay, I'm going to throw in some fresh basil that we did a chiffonade of, which means cut it into ribbons. Okay, we're going to take it off the fire. Look how pretty that is. Is that awesome or what? And then we're going to add some fresh grated Parmesan. Yes, indeed. We're going to stir that a little more, and that's going to make it even more thick. Or that's going to make it even thicker. Okay, here's our plate of fettuccine, cooked al dente. And we're going to pour this really sexy sauce over the pasta. And then we're going to grab a glass of wine, and then we're done.